Bingo Cash matches can last about 2 minutes, and the app supports up to 4 cards with multiple winning patterns, so speed and card management matter more than simply waiting for lucky numbers. App Store 1. By the end, you'll know which Bingo Cash habits can actually improve your gameplay, which features to use, and which supposed winning tricks you should ignore. The first useful tip is simple: practice before entering cash tournaments. Bingo Cash specifically promotes practice for its faster gameplay, so use the free matches to get comfortable with the interface before risking money. App Store 1. Next, focus on speed without sacrificing accuracy. Bingo Cash requires you to mark numbers as they are called, and the game rewards players who complete winning patterns. If you spend too much time looking for a number, you lose valuable seconds. If you tap the wrong number, you can hurt your score instead. The best approach is to keep your attention on the caller, and scan your cards systematically, rather than jumping randomly between them. If you're comfortable handling multiple cards, Bingo Cash allows up to 4 cards in a match. More cards give you more numbers to track, but they also increase the amount of information you need to process. App Store 2. So don't automatically use 4 cards just because the option exists. Start with the number of cards you can manage accurately, and increase only when you can keep up consistently. Power-ups are another part of the strategy. The app specifically advertises power-ups, such as Double Freeze, and lets players decide which power-up to use first. That means timing matters. App Store 1. Don't activate every power-up immediately, just because it is available. Read what each one does, and use it when it can actually improve your current board position. Another useful habit is learning the winning patterns before playing for cash. Bingo Cash advertises multiple ways to win, including Blackout and Jackpot Bingo. So knowing the target pattern prevents wasted taps and hesitation. App Store 2. Now, for the tip that doesn't sound exciting, but matters most. Don't believe anyone claiming there is a guaranteed winning method. Bingo Cash describes its tournaments as skill-based, but that does not mean you can predict which numbers will be called or guarantee a particular finishing position. Better reaction speed and familiarity with the game can improve your play, but they cannot eliminate the competitive element. The practical routine is simple: practice for free, learn the winning patterns, use only as many cards as you can manage accurately, and understand your power-ups before entering cash tournaments. Most importantly, set a spending limit before you play for real money, and treat every entry as money you could lose. If these tips helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest Bingo Cash tests, strategies, and payout reviews.